Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. Today it's afternoon, got good wind, got good sunshine. We are doing a goose hunt, mainly snow geese. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring that bell. We have the perfect conditions. We have an A-frame hide. We have the decoys out front. We got the rotaries going. 4 of us. It's gonna be good. So stick to it, stay tuned, smash that subscribe button. Let's just see if we can't make them rain. Caught him.
That snow's gotta go down.
I think we got 4 of them. Another one's going down there. We got 4 of them.
More birds coming here.
Blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Make it rain! Hey, you guys? Okay. There goes another one. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're gonna all do it right here in front. Make it rain! Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen! Woo! Oh my gosh! Right in the pocket! More coming, get down, get down. That was an insane flock, insane flock. God, did you see them coming in right over the rotaries? My God, what a rain out. 3 dumping up front, right up front here. Shoot these 3.
Yeah.
Kill him!
That one's going down.
He's going down. He's dead.
Sick.
More coming. Blue. Oh boy, bring him here. Back, back, back. Here, Bo. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh my gosh, here we go. Caught him! Anything else coming?
Yeah, big wood. Right
Yeah, let these go. I hear Specks. I hear Specks. Specks.
Big water bird.
Oh yeah, there's
Right
2.
here. There's more of that.
Let's wait here. Let them do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Make it rain! Nice shooting. There we go. Holy, look at them falling. Look at them falling. That was good. That was good, good, good. Smash that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. We are absolutely wrecking them. Here, we're gonna wait for when that next group around. They're all gonna spin back in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Make it rain! Nice shooting. All right, that's enough. Nice shooting.
You know what's weird? I started aiming just for you.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate that. Holy smokes, what a whooping. Did you see that, ladies and gentlemen? On frickin' real. Come on. Come on. Come on, turn in. Turn in. Come on. Turn in. Kill him.
There you go. Good shot. 2 shots. You ate the first one.
Not the second one. Here, Blue. Back. 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 Blue, back. Oh boy. Oh boy. Coming out front, locked up. Here they come right in. Mega Brain! Woo! That's how you take a flock out.
You ain't flocking kittens. Flock.
Here, Boo. Boo, back. No. Here! Blue, back, back, back. One right here. They're all over. Here, Blue, back. Here. Drop it. Oh. What are you at?
29 right here.
There's 3 more, it's 32.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What do you got, Nate?
7.
39 plus 7's what? Want to shoot the ducks or the snows? The ducks. Uh-oh. Caught him! Nice!
Hey, a little better that time, Chuck. Clean up. Clean up on aisle 4. Clean up.
Blue. Kennel, kennel, kennel. Greenies, ladies and gentlemen. Kennel, kennel. Blue with the big greenie. Good boy. Back, back. Whoa, look at that stud, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get the sun on it. Holy. Greenie. Susie. Good boy. Susie. Kill him. Nice shooting. Kill that one, Chuck. Oh, kill that. Wait, wait. There, Blue, get him. Get him, Blue. Bring him here.
You got a bunch of geese coming.
Yeah. Blue, here. Here, here. Here, come here. Catch it here. Kennel, kennel, kennel. Oh, come on, turn in. Turn in. Turn in. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Oh, you dirty. Here they come. Here they come. Ready? Kill him! Nice shot, Nate. Look at that pig one, ladies and gentlemen. White-bellied blue. Look at that. Look at that. That's a moaner there.
Yeah, maybe we save that.
That's a freaking beauty. That's like the one you got.
That's super cool.
I'd bring that one back if I were you.
might have to.
There's some nice snows too if you want a snow to go with it. Coming right in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Make 'em rain! Oh. Two nice blues out of that. Good boy. Back, back. Oh boy. Here we go. Come on, turn over. Here we go. Get ready. Caught him! Oh! Good dog. Drop it! Drop it! See, this is your classic blue if you want to mount two together. This, if you want to mount two together, this is your classic. See how they're like, that's a stud too. Walking out with my best buddy Chuck here after absolutely slamming him. What do you think about that hunt, Chuck?
That was a pretty epic hunt, buddy.
It was pretty awesome.
Decoy. Awesome decoy.
Sunshine, wind, and you want to know what, ladies and gentlemen? Most of the birds we shot were adults today. I would say 60% were adults, so that's pretty dang good.
We had a good hide.
We had a real good hide. Ladies and gentlemen, so we just whacked these birds in this field behind me, and we're walking to get the trucks, and across the road they're going in, and we just secured permission for a couple days, so we're gonna hunt this one in a couple days. See him going in? Unbelievable. We absolutely smashed them. Good job. That was a full afternoon limit of snow geese, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And what an epic, epic, epic hunt. Put in the comment section below, did those birds work great or what? Is this your favorite thing? Do you like watching the snow goose hunting on my channel? Because as you guys know, snow geese are my absolute favorite. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what an awesome video. We had an amazing shoot today. Some of these birds we didn't get on camera because I ran out of battery in my GoPro until I found my batteries, and then so we missed a few flocks. But we had a pretty awesome day. We got some ducks, some specks, lessers, and a full 4-man limit of snow geese. So I got my buddy Nate, Charles Pickering, and Joe, and of course Blue. Nate got himself a nice penguin he's gonna mount. Little penguin goose. So smash that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And sorry we didn't get a better picture when we were out in the field, but it got dark pretty quick, and that's the bad thing about hunting in the evenings. But man, those birds sure work good. So hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep bringing you these videos, and until tomorrow, or until next time, make them rain.